Before going and start configuring our Windows Server 2016, first we need to install Guest Additions. Guest Additions consist of device drivers and system programs for better performance and usability. Some of the benefits of installing these features is to have a better video performance, so that we can display the VM desktop in full screen mode. Before installing the guest additions, the virtual machine display size does not fit into the host display screen, so that you can't see the whole desktop. For example, now even if the VM screen is maximized, I can't see the whole desktop content. If I want to click on the Start menu, I have to scroll down the slider to the bottom and scroll it up to display the top of the desktop. When installing guest additions, you can also copy files between the guest and the host operating system using the clipboard. To install guest additions, open Devices menu, then click on Insert Guest Additions CD image. Then go and open Explorer. Click on this PC icon and you can see that a CD drive labeled VirtualBox Guest Additions was added. Now I am going to double click on it to open the content. I will double click on the VBox Windows Additions to run the setup. The setup process is pretty simple. You have just to follow the steps and let the default selected values. A pop-up window is shown asking to confirm the software installation. Be sure that the Always Trust Software from Oracle checkbox is enabled. Click Install button. The setup will continue. You can notice the screen flash to black color. This is because a custom video driver is being installed and is testing the display. At the end of the installation, restart the VM so that the new features takes effect. Okay, now I'm going to open a session. Oh, I mistyped my password. Let's try again. Yes, it's the good one. As you have noticed, the display size of the VM has just been resized to fit the screen size of my laptop. Now you can easily display the VM desktop in the full screen mode by going to View menu and select the full screen option, or by hitting the Ctrl F keys combination. To switch back to normal display, hit again the Ctrl F keys. Now let's see what happens if I want to reduce the screen size. No, this is not what I want to do. I will try to resize it from the bottom corner. Yes, the guest desktop size is reduced, but it always fits into the new size. And I don't have to scroll up and down to reach any particular desktop region. It's a handy feature. Cool. Now that we have well configured our VirtualBox machine, serious things can start.